Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today is the day that I'm going to be showing you guys whether or not Patrick Starr's new makeup removers are worth your hard-earned coin. Like, come on, these are some pretty pricey products, and of course I purchased them and I'm going to put them to the test for y'all. I just created this look like maybe an hour ago. We're gonna go ahead and see if it can break through this makeup, if it's worth the hype, and whether or not this is worth the money. So if you want to see what happens with these products, I literally just took them out the box, have not touched them, then stay tuned. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below on how you think these products work out for me or for you. And don't forget to follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _itsGilly. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so unless you've been living under a rock for the past like 2 weeks or so, then you would have known that Patrick Starrr finally came out with his own brand. It's called One Size. So he came out with this Go Off makeup dissolving mist, which is pretty revolutionary because I don't think any other makeup brand has this. And then he also came out with the Go Off Juiciest makeup remover wipes, and this is what they look like. His beauty brand is called One Size because as Patrick says, makeup is a one size fits all. Wow, I can't talk today. I'm so excited. I absolutely love Patrick Starrr. He's like one of my favorite YouTubers. You know, my man stays out of drama. He is about his content, his fans, his subscribers, and his point. So I definitely appreciate that from Patrick. I think that like he's had so much success just because he got out of the like mean girls crowd of the beauty community really early on and just focused on doing him, working with his family and his really good friends. So like, you know, hats off to Patrick. I think he's done an amazing job with just about everything he's ever touched. Fun fact, if you watched my previous video, you would have seen that basically almost my entire face is all Patrick Starrr stuff. I used a lot of his products from his last MAC collection. So I've been supporting my man for a while now. I love him. But today we need to know, are these products worth it? Because let me pull up some prices for y'all. I'm pretty sure the makeup remover mist, and guys, this is a remover because I definitely saw some reviews on what's it called, on Sephora, talking about, oh, like this messed up my makeup. It's not a setting spray, you idiots. It's a makeup remover mist. Please read the packaging. Please do not start telling this man he messed up your makeup. That's the point. It's supposed to take it off. So this mist cost $24 and the makeup wipes cost $15, and the makeup wipes come with 21 7x10, this is inches, of wipes, and then the mist has 3.4 ounces or 115 milliliters in it. So, I mean, I think you guys have heard me yabber on for way too long now. Let's see if these products are gonna work. So I'm going to use the mist first, and I'm first going to use the mist on a Q-tip to take off my lashes because I don't want to just like rip them off because I literally just put these on and they're going to like hurt. So I'm just going to spray my brush. See what happens. Definitely made it easy to pull those off. Not a lot of tugging required. So one more time. Voila, that really came off super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and open the wipes just because like I feel like after I spray this my hands are gonna be a mess. The wipes do come with like 2 inserts or something, and I'm only gonna do half of my face to show you guys like what it all looks like. So here I am pulling out my wipey, and yo, this is huge. It's like the size of my face. This is huge, super exciting. I'm just gonna set that down, and I'm gonna go ahead and give my face a half of an O, because Patrick said to do a whole like O and then like an S. So I'm just gonna do half of an O on this side of my face so we can compare. Okay, wow, I think I put too much. I definitely think I put too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my huge wipe here. Okay, let me go ahead and close this. Don't want my juice to come out of there. Wow, guys, my face is drenched. Wow, guys, look at this. My freaking makeup is gone. That's wild. And look, I still have so much like clean space left on my like makeup wipe. This is wild. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Like, let's just get to it. But I won't spray as much this time. Yeah, literally, I think just that little like 1 second is just enough. I am like freaking bamboozled right now. Gonna go in with the other side of this. Wow, guys, the thing is, look at all the space that I still have left on this makeup wipe that is really, really juicy. And I've had this out like for a couple minutes and it's still like wet. It still has not dried off. I definitely just played myself, and I should have tried taking off my makeup with just the mist and like some like cotton rounds to see like how the mist alone works. However, because like the first time I spread it, it was so oily, I definitely think that this would have worked on its own as well. Like literally, I wouldn't have doubt that. I just used them together because like that's what I saw Patrick do in his video, and I like forgot to try it another way just in case you didn't want to buy both products. But I'm gonna go ahead and give both products right now, right here, my full endorsement, because literally this is amazing. And I'm not really one for makeup wipes either. Like, I personally think that I will keep these for like when I go out, if I ever go out again and I come home after a really late night and I just want to like take off my makeup really quickly and get the hell to bed because I'm probably hella drunk. Let's be honest. So I'm definitely gonna save these. I definitely think that these are a little pricey though, I'm not gonna lie, because for makeup wipes to be $15, wow, that hurt. I mean, I feel like I've never even paid more than like, I don't know, $7-8 for makeup wipes whenever I buy them from the drugstore, but they also haven't been this good. Like, this makeup wipe is, like, I'm telling you, it's still juicy. I can still use so much more of it, and it took off all of my makeup. Like, this is actually like fabulous. I think that if you're really interested, I would try out the makeup wipes. If you're not one for like gimmicky things, then maybe the spray isn't for you, but I actually think I'm gonna use the spray way more than the wipes, just because I do like taking off my makeup the proper way. Like, I'm someone who would probably use this spray and like get in the shower and like just really like rinse it all off, use my facial wash to get it all off, and go about my day. So that's kind of why I think I really like this. And it's kind of like he said, it's not very messy either, because it really does melt your makeup off without you getting your hands in like one of those oil jars that we usually use, and I use those too. But this is really, really great and really innovative. I've gotta hand it to Patrick. I mean, I think it's great. I'm just saying. So, I mean, I think I've raved on about these products enough. If I haven't convinced you to buy them, I don't think I ever will. I will say that maybe it is a little pricey to spend $24 on this mist, but you guys saw that little like spray that I did. So much of it came out. It was such a fine mist. You don't even like really feel it until it's on your face, and it's crazy. So that's kind of why ow, crap. I don't think the mist is overpriced at all, because I think it's basically the liquid version of whatever comes in like the cleansing balms that I already use. So I don't think that this is overpriced at all, because I pay way more for my cleansing balms than this is, and it's essentially the same thing in a liquid form. Now, like I said, the makeup wipes are great, but do I want to keep paying $15 for makeup wipes? Probably not. So I would definitely recommend the mist. If you have the money to splurge, you can try out the wipes as well. So there you have it. That is my full opinion on the new products released by One Size Beauty. I am super excited for you guys to try these out. Please let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys got any of these, you tried them, please let me know if it worked for you or not. And until next time, see y'all later. But before all of that happens, where do you think you're going? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's Gilly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.